Hello, Love Advice TV community. Coach Adrian here. I woke up this morning very inspired, thinking about all of you, thinking about my own journey as a coach, as a person who was able to get back with my significant other, and wanted to do this video to talk a little bit about that and the do's and don'ts of breakup recovery. What to do, what not to do. Those are often questions that come up in coaching sessions. I wanted to share some quick thoughts with you, quick hitters. So it is very important for you to control your emotions as part of the breakup recovery process. You should not reach out to your ex when you're in this heightened emotional state. When you do that, you make mistakes, you have setbacks. It's also important for you to not try to convince your ex to come back through words, especially when you're in that heightened emotional state. But when you find yourself trying to convince your significant other to take you back, usually you have a setback, you make mistakes. And lastly, another big don't is to not involve your friends and your family in your breakup recovery process. When you do that, oftentimes you get confused, and as a result, you make mistakes. So instead, I really want you to focus on trying to accept the breakup, accept that the relationship is over so that you can build something new. If you're able to do that, you will maximize your chances of success. And by doing that, you can do that by trying to be more social, by engaging with more people, reconnecting with others from your past. That will help you really to deal with the negative feelings and emotions that you feel post-breakup. Once you are able to reconnect with your significant other, or if you are still talking for logistical things or whatever it may be, really try to focus to keep things light and fun. You're hurt, they're angry, and trying to rehash the breakup is not a good idea. You want to show them that you can still interact without drama, conflict, and negativity. If you're able to put these things in place, you'll start to head in the right direction. I've actually decided to do a free training on many do's and don'ts this Tuesday, September 20th at 1 p.m. Eastern. Live free training with me for over an hour, where we're going to talk about the different concepts of breakup recovery and, most importantly, what to do and what not to do in your breakup recovery process. So I'm going to put the link to register for this free training in the description below. Please save your spot. Please show up. Please be there so that we can learn together and help advance your process of breakup recovery. As always, keep fighting the good fight, and see you soon for this free live training on Tuesday at 1 p.m. Eastern. Much love, my friends.